Welcome to CarLubeTv. In this episode, for your viewing pleasure, we have this 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR V-spec. The car we have here is one of only 227 ever produced in Athlete Silver. Compare that to 2,500 in blue, this colour is considered very rare and it's 100% unmolested. Apart from a couple of bolt-on additions like a Bluetooth head unit, it also has grooved discs, uprated pads and braided hoses, which the GTR's keeper assures me makes a huge difference in braking capabilities. In fact, it's probably one of the cleanest unmodified lowest mileage GTRs of its specification in the UK today. Standard features this GTR left the factory with include a front splitter, carbon fibre rear diffuser, Nismo gauges, bucket seats, which let me tell you are very comfortable and supportive in all the right places. And this fabulous adjustable rear spoiler, which if you adjust it can be raised for that more aggressive look. Under the bonnet we've got the 2.6 litre RB26 DETT twin turbo straight 6, and as you can see it's totally stock. A quick look in the boot, but it's fairly unremarkable in there, with upholstery hiding all the electrical gizmos. Now we really should find out how this car feels on the road. It's my first time in the Skyline, I'm so excited. Pulls alright, doesn't it?
It's nippy.
It's just refined and it's not too loud, but it makes all the right noises when you give it the beams.
Yeah, no, it's brilliant.
Stiffly sprung. Trying to keep this camera as still as possible, but it's throwing me back in the seat a bit. Oh, that was a nice noise. goes.
Rotates up the road.
Yeah. But you're not over revving it. You're not really. You're just reveling in the boost. Just keeping it on boost, not ringing it out.
You don't need to on these because the torque is pretty flat.
Yeah.
So in fact the torque dies off. I'm not sure, 5.5, 6,000. So you don't need to rev to the end of the gear.
Right.
Because it's in again so early. 2,500, 3,000 maximum torque in the next gear. So yeah, just then you'll never damage your engine. Just enjoy yourself without getting the last tenth of power out of it. Not in the race.
It does bop around on the bumps, doesn't it? I'm feeling it more. Getting praised more like this. I mean, it's good. I like it. I like a stiffly sprung car.
The steering wheel is light as anything. It's literally one, so light. There's no vibrations or that popping.
Driving down the high street, I found myself looking in every glass window hoping to grab a glance of the car. I definitely felt special travelling in such a legendary car. Squeaky brakes.
They are a lot sharper, but they do squeak a little bit sometimes. Unless you give them a good whack on, clean them up.
I suppose one of the things of not using the car on a daily basis.
Some of these types of races, they will come alive. That's the traction just kicks in.
Yeah, it starts to slip.
Yeah, it just does itself. Makes me look like a good driver.
Cows are all sitting down.
Got a nice feel in that chapter.
What are horses? So that was my ride along in the Nissan GTR V-spec, the first time I'd even sat in a Skyline of any kind. It definitely felt old school, but not that old. The ride was stiff and bumpy even on the standard suspension, but it was completely planted on the road. We didn't go mad, as you could see, but it seemed to grip and grip, even on these very damp roads. It's very easy to see why this car captivates the world and why the values are skyrocketing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like and browse the CarLube channel. Hello and welcome to episode 25 of E30 M3 Recreation. In this episode, we will take a look at what's involved in fabricating M3 bumpers, and make sure you watch till the end. I can hardly contain myself. We're going to start the car for the very first time.